In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photo to Upwork. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and press enter. In the results, click the official Upwork website to go straight to the platform. If you aren't already signed in, take a moment to log in so you can access your account settings and profile. Once you're on Upwork, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon or avatar. Click that icon, and from the menu that appears, choose your profile. This takes you to your public profile page, where clients will see your information and, importantly, your profile picture. On your profile, find the small pencil icon near your existing photo area. That pencil is the edit button for your profile photo section. Click it, then select Change Image. Your computer's file picker will open, so you can choose the photo you want to upload. Before you select a photo, a few quick tips to help you look professional and trustworthy. Pick a clear, recent head and shoulders image with good lighting. Face the camera, smile naturally, and avoid sunglasses, heavy filters, or distracting backgrounds. A simple, uncluttered background works best. If possible, use a high-quality JPG or PNG. Don't worry if your photo isn't already a perfect square. Upwork will let you crop it. After you choose the photo, you'll see a preview. Use the crop and positioning tools to center your face and make sure your eyes are well within the frame. Aim to keep your head and shoulders visible without cutting off the top of your head. When it looks good, click Save Photo. Give it a moment to process. You should see your new image update on your profile right away. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page. If you decide you don't like how it looks, you can repeat the process. Click the pencil icon again, choose Change Image, pick a different photo, adjust the crop, and save. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your photo to Upwork. A strong, professional image can make a great first impression, so take a few extra moments to choose and crop it well. If you're doing this on a phone or tablet, the steps are essentially the same in your browser. Go to Upwork, open your profile, tap the edit option near your photo, change the image, and save. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, update your photo now while it's fresh in your mind, and you'll be one step closer to a polished, client-ready profile.